Viral video of Kuki women paraded naked ahead of parliament session that shamed Manipur was done by Congress, asserts Chief Minister Biren. He made the statement while attending the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh's Yuva Sammelan held at Thambal Sanglen at Nityai Patuthek. Power Minister T.H. Biswajit, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh A. Sharda, Vice President of BJP N. Nimbus, General Secretary of BJP Manipur and Nagaland A.B. Kumar Giri, Secretary of BJYM National Ningthaujam Nongpok Nganba attended the event among others. Chief Minister N. Biren stated that due to the conflict that broke out in May 3, 2023 in Manipur, all development projects have been halted. The initiatives taken by Meira Paibis, medias and village youths are commendable despite rising of numerous dire circumstances. He said that the public are not well aware of the Prime Minister's statement about Manipur during the Parliament session. Biren expressed disappointment on people's belief that Prime Minister remained silent on Manipur conflict, stating that it was because of the widely circulated video of two women being paraded naked distributed by Congress Party. He further stated that it is pitching their own community to others and that it is important to remember that Congress opposed the implementation of NRC in Manipur.
Parliament, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji na present the statement. Abhi Manipur se Prime Minister wa nangki di Manipur ki wahi ta hai ki wow round heta lamai jabu da sabon ka Bharatiya Janata Party ko namtha na ho ki ekoi kanna khungde kanna re to ki adu ngasidi mai nu phi na khumma tamang nam de ai ki adu photo la ka Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji na nam ki ko yam meaningful loiba space ran ha so se ta li ai de jara jara da madu tv do ka yun news channel khara da news param dai da jam na ko ki crime ni thugi kapogi gas kapogi chain bagi jam ready crime simnoila manda hanu bolaga mayam da panic kumopi bagi ama tawriba khriyawe baduma ai madu ki media house shingu da ya bi tawjeri madu hongbi da government si hanada ko ki lambi rom da mai wasna ni ya shingu ya tawjeri